Alright guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course this is the Samsung A06. Now this is one of the devices from Samsung, a pretty nice device. And of course I'm going to show you to fix the black screen issue. Now this particular device is not experiencing the black screen issue, but I'm going to show you what to do in the case you're having the problem on your device. Now of course in the case of the black screen issue, you'll find that the black screen happens when the screen is black or blank, and of course you'll be here notifications coming in, calls, but you can't see anything on the display. Now in order to fix this, you want to first of all, this is your power button, this is your volume button, this is volume down, the top is volume up, and what you're going to do here is you're going to hold power and volume down. So in case of the black screen, you're going to go ahead and hold volume down and power. You're going to hold both at the same time. Forgive me, I'm demonstrating the one hand here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to locate both. You can do it with both hands, one for the power, one for the volume down. What I'm going to do is press and hold, and your display might not come on. I'm only demonstrating here, but of course you're going to hold. You're going to keep an eye on the display, and usually when you do that, what's going to happen is that as soon as you see the Samsung logo, you're going to go ahead and let go. The Samsung logo will indicate that the device is restarted. And of course what you just did was to do a force restart. So doing a force restart is what we just did with the volume down and power at the same time. Basically force restarts the software. And in most cases when you're having the black screen issue, what this is going to do is going to fix the issue. So as you can see here, this is the Samsung Galaxy A06. Alright, so as you can see there, it's booting. Just give it a little time to boot back up. And of course everything should start displaying once again, and your device should be back up and functioning. Alright, so if you give it a little time, there you go. So as you can see here, the device is back up, and of course you just give it a little time. So it says it's starting the phone, so phone is starting. There you go. It will take a little time to reload all the software and stuff. But once it's finished, you'll notice everything should start coming back in. And there you go. Once you see the icons, you know it's back up. And there you go, it's fully up. And that should fix the black screen issue. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Saying goodbye until next time. Bye, guys.